Hey everybody, my name is Rick and this is the Weekend Woodshop. This weekend, we're going to give you the top reasons why I prefer to build my own table saw, just like the one that you see here in front of me. As many of you know, the saw that I inherited from my dad became unusable, so I decided to build my own. These are the reasons why I did it in the first place and ultimately why I would probably do it again. Now there's also going to be a companion video on why I might never build another table saw, which I will link in the description below. Make sure to check that one out once you finish this one, and make sure that you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so that you don't miss any future content. Without any further ado, let's get into it. First on my list is getting what you want. Saws provided by manufacturers like DeWalt, Delta, Rigid, even SawStop are designed to meet the needs of the majority of woodworkers. I see so many posts on so many different social media from folks asking which saw is the best and which one has the most powerful motor. By building your own saw, or by building my own saw, I was able to design, develop, and build a great saw that meets my needs for today, and it's upgradable so that should I need any other features in the future, it's easy to do so. Let's face it, we woodworkers are a smart bunch. We think outside of the box. See what I did there? Box, woodworkers.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going.
But sometimes products provided by manufacturers are intentionally over-engineered. When you build your own saw, you know what went into making it, and therefore if something goes wrong, you probably know exactly what you'll need to do to fix it. Now, if COVID-19 taught us anything, it made us see that our supply chain isn't infallible. We struggle to find many of the things that we need in stores, both locally and online. Also, manufacturers change models from time to time, making parts obsolete, or a third-party vendor picks it up and changes the production, and maybe it got a little bit more expensive or a little bit cheaper quality. Never know what you're going to get. When you build your own saw, you are also building your own parts. I built every part of this table saw. The only thing that I had to buy was the hardware to put it together, so screws, threaded rod, things of that nature. I like being as self-sufficient as possible, and building my own saw helped me to do that. Like many of you, I take pride in the things that I make. It probably goes without saying that building a table saw is a huge undertaking. There's a ton of planning, testing, fitting, and reevaluating that went into the final finished project. I feel that going through this process made me a better craftsman. There were so many times during this process where I had to stop working for sometimes weeks to analyze and evaluate something that wasn't working the way that I wanted it to. Being able to complete this build has been so satisfying. And now, I have a great saw that meets virtually all of my specific needs. This is version 1, and I've made a few alterations to the saw since we did the build series to address a few oversights that I made in the design process. If and or when I decide to do a version 2, all of those alterations will become part of the build, as well as any future modifications that I might desire. And there you have it, the top reasons why I would prefer to build my own table saw in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Who knows, maybe one of them is considering building a saw. If you think I've earned it, please also hit the subscribe button. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and you would be helping us to reach that goal. Visit Richard Brooks Woodworking, where you can find cool merch, and patreon.com/weekendwoodshop to join our community to find out how you can help support the channel and the projects that we make here for you all to enjoy. Thanks for watching.